Transform your Shopify customer service and boost engagement with a direct WhatsApp chat button. First, let's head over to your Shopify App Store to find the perfect tool. Search for WhatsApp and you'll see a variety of options. We're looking for an app that's well-rated and offers good customization. Click on Add App for the one you've chosen and follow the prompts to approve the necessary permissions. Once installed, navigate to the app's dashboard within your Shopify admin. Here's where the magic happens. You can customize the appearance of your WhatsApp button. This includes changing the color to match your store's branding, selecting an icon, and even adding a personalized greeting message that customers will see when they initiate a chat. Now, let's talk placement. Most apps allow you to choose where your WhatsApp button appears. A common and effective spot is a floating button in a corner of your website. Ensuring it's always visible, you can also often choose to display it on specific pages, like your contact page or product pages, to offer immediate assistance where it's most needed. To make customer inquiries even more helpful, consider setting up a default message. This can pre-populate the chat with information like the product the customer is viewing or the page they're on, so you have context right away. It's a huge time saver for both you and your customers. And there you have it. Your Shopify store now boasts a professional and accessible WhatsApp button, ready to supercharge your customer service and drive those sales. Go ahead, give it a try.